welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Emma. I'm so happy you're here. And if you're not new here, welcome back. This is going to be my packing video. I have been waiting for this since last year. This is gonna be the last Disney prep video because the vlogs will start not next weekend, but the weekend after. I am so excited to get into this video. It is currently Friday. I leave on Sunday morning. So right now I'm in between classes, but I have to actually pack my clothes. I have all of my outfits laid out. If you've never done this, this is actually one of the most genius things I've ever done, I think. So these are all my outfits, and I will be showing you these up close. For example, my travel outfit. I literally did a cutout. That's a little fun fact for you if you are going on a trip. I'm so excited to do this, but we are going to get into this video right now. So let's get into it. We're bringing out the big guns this trip. Look how giant this suitcase is. It's like half my size. Anyways, welcome back. It is a couple hours later. I had class. So I've set out, as you can see behind me, I've set out the clothes that I'm gonna be wearing because I'm a genius. But I'm gonna go through the outfits I'm wearing. Let's get into the first outfit. So this is actually a three-parter because it's our travel day / Disney Springs day / pool day. What I'm wearing to the airport is very basic. I'm wearing my Aerie crossover flare yoga pants. I love these pants so much. And then I'm gonna wear this sweatshirt on the plane. I got this last year because I was literally having a conniption over my biker shorts that I was wearing. That's my airport outfit. Then my Springs outfit is this sports bra from Old Navy. And this is actually my favorite sports bra. I'm also wearing this black tennis skirt from Old Navy. I love how the biker shorts on it are a lot longer than other skirts I have. And then for my pool outfit, this is the bikini top I'm wearing. It is from Hollister. They are my go-to for bathing suits right now. I've tried Aerie. Hollister beats them by 100 million. And these are the bottoms matching. So wearing that to the pool. I have a little pool cover up. It's my overall shorts. These are from Old Navy. My next outfit is Epcot. This is my tennis skirt that I'm wearing. This is my favorite skirt I own from Old Navy also. It's the exact same style as the black one, but it's just more colorful. With it, I'm wearing this top. I actually wear it this way where the back is, or the opening is on my back, but it's from Molly Green. I will have my affiliate link in the description down below. Then the ears I'm wearing are my Turning Red ears. I love this movie and I think it'll be cute for Flower and Garden. So that's my Epcot outfit. Then next is my Animal Kingdom and Magic Kingdom. I'm packing these biker shorts. This is my Tinkerbell dress. It's very cute. It is from Shein, sorry. These are the ears I'm gonna be wearing. I literally bought these on eBay for $20. So this is my bag. This is in my last video, my park bag video. This is the back of it. It has the characters and Tinkerbell, and it's so cute. So now on to my Cinderella's royal table outfit. So I'm gonna be wearing this little baby doll dress. This is also from Molly Green, but it's so cute. I literally love it. For that outfit, I'm gonna be wearing my 50th anniversary ears. I'm so excited to wear these. I wanted them so bad and now I have them. So this is gonna be my everyday park bag, I think, but this is my Belle bag. The last park day outfit is for Hollywood Studios. I decided I'm gonna wear my Outdoor Voices one shoulder exercise dress, but it looks like this. It's so cute. It's a full bodysuit underneath. I really like this dress. It's one of my staples. I actually really want to get more of these dresses. And then my ears are my Tower of Terror ears. So that's it for park days. Now we're gonna move on to the rest of the week. This is my first outfit option. This navy blue sports bra. This is from Aerie. And then I have this white tennis skirt, which is from Amazon. I also have this outfit option, which you're gonna notice a pattern for the next 3 of these outfits. I have my black biker shorts from Aerie. They're the crossover ones. And then I have an oversized Chicago Bulls t-shirt, which I also love. So that's my second option for that day. And then we're going out to dinner that night, I believe. So I'm gonna be wearing this dress. This is from Urban Outfitters from a couple summers ago, but it's just like so comfy. The Friday outfit, we're going kayaking, so I figured I'd bring another bathing suit. But I just got this one. It's so cute. It's from Hollister as well. These are the bottoms. This is the matching top with it. And then again, same biker shorts. And instead of the Chicago one, I have my Guardians of the Galaxy oversized t-shirt. Guardians is like my absolute favorite ride, and I can't wait to go back on it. So that's that. And then we're going on a booze cruise, which I've never been on, but I think this dress, I am the one that would get the most dressed up for anything. So honestly, I really don't care if this is not appropriate because I don't care. And then my Saturday outfits, we're doing yoga in the morning. So this is like the most chill because this is the day we're leaving. Again, same biker shorts. It's almost like there's a pattern. And then my oversized t-shirt is my Princess Diana t-shirt, which I like. I literally love this t-shirt so much. And I love Princess Diana. I mean, who doesn't love Princess Diana? Look at her, she's so beautiful. And then I'm wearing the same travel outfit back home. My PJs are this t-shirt. This is also from Molly Green. And then I'm wearing these sweat shorts with it to bed. Also, this is the third bathing suit I'm bringing. This is also from Hollister, but it's this pink. So cute. I have packed my two big clothing things. I'm gonna put them in the suitcase and weigh the suitcase. For shoes, I'm gonna be packing my Tevas. They're super comfy, I love them. I'll definitely wear them to the pool, and so I'm gonna be packing these. I'm packing my musty dusty Nike Air Forces that I got literally 4 years ago and have holes in them. But I'm gonna wear these to the airport. The last shoe that I'm packing are my other Nikes. These are like the Air Maxes. They're just like super comfy. Your feet will not hurt after wearing these. I probably will wear these to the Cinderella's Royal Table, even though my outfit doesn't really match, but I'm like, I'd rather wear something that doesn't match and be more comfortable. So I'm gonna wear these. I'm gonna weigh this. This should be interesting. I'll just say that. 30 pounds. I forgot that I actually have like smaller travel size toiletries that I'm gonna bring. So I'll show you those. This is like the skincare I'm bringing. I'm bringing my foaming facial cleanser. It's the CeraVe one. And then I'm bringing my Cetaphil regular moisturizer. And then for contacts, I use the BioTrue contact solution. For sunscreen, I usually use the mineral one on my face, but this is SPF 50 and it's the Sunbum one. That's pretty much all I'm gonna pack right now, but I am so excited for this trip. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to watch the rest of last year's vlogs or the last video, keep following this series. I'll put it in one of these corners in the little tags. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see all the videos I post. And if you want to get notified every single time I post, hit the bell for post notifications so you'll get like first dibs on the vlogs that are gonna come out. If you want to follow me on social media, my Instagram is fitsbym. I will be linking all my social media down below, and my TikTok is also mmozzarella. It will all be down below. Just look in the description, honestly. But I can't wait to see you guys in 2 weeks. If you've gotten this far in the video, comment down below what your favorite Disney memory is. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!